In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload Canva design to Google Drive. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to send your Canva design straight to your Google Drive without any extra downloading or manual uploading. Start by opening the specific project you want to upload in Canva. Make sure it's the design you're ready to share, and that any last-minute edits are saved. In the top right corner of the Canva editor, you'll see the Share button. Click that to open all the ways you can export or publish your work. Inside the Share panel, look for the option that says See All. This expands the full list of destinations and tools, so you're not limited to just the quick options you see at first. Once you're viewing everything, scroll to the section labeled Save. In that section, click Google Drive. This is the direct route to uploading your design from Canva to your Drive, so you don't need to download a file to your computer first. Next, you'll be prompted to connect to Google Drive. Click that. Canva will then open a window asking you to select your Google account. Choose the account where you want your design to be stored. For privacy reasons, I won't show personal account details here, but the process is simple. Select the right account, follow the on-screen prompts, and confirm. If you're already signed in, it may connect right away. If you're not, you may be asked to sign in and approve permissions so Canva can save files to your Drive. Once you've selected your account, Canva handles the upload automatically. You don't have to do anything else. The design will be exported and sent to your Google Drive, saving you time and keeping everything in the cloud. This is especially handy if you collaborate across devices or need to share a file quickly without worrying about downloads or email attachments. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. Before you connect, double-check that you're opening the correct Canva project and that the project name is something you'll recognize in Drive. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable while the upload completes. The Share panel may look slightly different depending on updates, but the flow remains the same. Share, See All, Google Drive, Connect, and select your account. That's all there is to it. You've just sent your Canva design directly to Google Drive in a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, feel free to follow along with your next project using the same steps.